Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. You see? Alright, so I have at least 2 videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present any of those videos to you, I want to talk to you about some things. You see me I say? Yeah, some things were going on, especially on social media. You see me I say? Now, I got the understanding that a well-known person on social media who goes by the name of Foota and a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of sizzla do not agree with a female Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Spice headlining Pride Toronto 2022 LGBTQ Festival. Now, I got those understanding or the understanding because of posts that have been made on social media by both Foota and sizzla. And I also got the understanding that Spice made posts on social media responding to Foota and sizzla not agreeing with her headlining Pride Toronto 2022 LGBTQ Festival. You see? So what I'm going to do, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to read from 2 posts that have been made on social media by Spice, so that you can have a better understanding about this whole situation. You see me, I say, my people, yeah, now brace yourself and listen carefully, you see me? And I might not read word for word from those posts, but I'm going to do my best, alright? Now, this is from one of the posts that have been made on social media by Spice. Soon remove this caption, but I don't discriminate. I love all my fans no matter what race or their sexual preference. It's not my decision to make. So you're upset because I'm performing at a pride event when you've been working for different pride organizers all your life. Well, I am very sorry, but my music doesn't stop at your stinking foot. I wonder who she attacked this, some people. Eh? Anyways, listen up. I never told you that I wanted to be white or Spanish looking. I am extremely happy just the rich way I am. So stop the madness. You knowingly have lesbian and gay friends that you and I both know. So I'm confused at this hypocrisy. The amount of male artist friend that you have that have girls kissing girls in music videos and singing about threesomes, it wasn't homosexuality then or running the culture? Or is it only homosexuality when it's not pleasing you? All I want is for you to just make everything make sense. Or is it only when a Spice who don't have a problem? Well, hear what? Long story short, a homosexual interviewed you at the US Embassy and give you work visa so that you can come America, come work and make money. So if you run back the US visa, I'll run back the money. Run back the visa and the green card, and I run back the money. Me done chat to you. Me well busy. Sorry, Toronto, Canada. I'll be seeing you soon. Me bun up people. And that I go on. Anyways, my people are them sitting there go on, you know. You see? Anyways, I'm gonna read from the next post. I'm gonna read a few of the comments them too. So, wanna listen up. At sizzla, come make me pull out your turban and whine pan your back way. Me bun up. Anyways, let me get to the comment section now. So, a comment from Jada Kingdom say, that nah go happen. Yeah, well, it happen, me see the saying HAPMU. So, I assume say happen. Meaning happen. See? Anyway, let me repeat it again now, yeah. That nah go happen. That will never happen. That's all like bother cat this, though. Alright, so, one comment from Major Hype say, not pull out your turban. Lord, me have to make a video. A comment there so from the sham with some laughing emoji in it. You see me I say? Well, I guess I'm never left that number people. You see me? You can let me know what you think about this whole situation between Spice, sizzla and Foota. You see me I say? Yeah, I guess I'm never left that one there. Jano. this thing I read and truly, I talk about a whole heap. You see me, I say my people. You see it? Anyways, so, me see a picture on social media that shows romeich and a young man and his mother. See me, I say? Now, the young man and his mother can be seen in a viral video when the young man sing a song to his mother. In that video, the young man break out in tears or started to cry while he was singing. My people, that video is a touching video. You understand? That video that went viral on social media. A lot of people talk about that video. You see me? If you don't have an understanding, I'm going to present the video that I saw on social media that shows when the young man performed for his mother or sing a song for his mother. You see me? I say, and an instrumental, of course. I like it. You see me? I say. So here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I feel make you proud and the whole family too. Man, I hold it like a soldier, I go and do the do. No fight man yet, but me still a pull through. My wallet talk to me, yeah, me know me start screw. But you know me love your mommy, me I do the right for you. Never let me side with stick on like a glue. And your phone and bench, yeah, the one me brand new. I pour away again, the struggle with all of it. I feel make you proud. Remember me at the last mommy, when me want something. No, me can't call her there, you alone.
That heartwarming, my people. Yeah, man, that heartwarming, you know. Yeah, see it. Well, you know, let me know what you think about the video, you know. And big up to the young man and his mother. And big up to romeich as well. You see it? Yeah, big them up. Alright, and another topic now, viewers and subscribers. I got information that a well-known journalist within the country of Jamaica who goes by the name of M0ck, right, had been hospitalized after he had been stabbed during what police within the country of Jamaica suspect to be a domestic dispute. Now, when you hear the word domestic and you hear the word dispute, what do you think about viewers and subscribers? What do you think happened when you hear about them two words together? So I say, anyways, it said that the incident happened on the 19th of November, the year 2021 within St. Catherine, Jamaica. And it is said that he's in hospital and is in stable condition. Alright, so I wish the best for M0ck, right? As I say, yeah, speedy recovery, viewers and subscribers. I'm just making you know what I want. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video. I have one more video I'm going to present to you. Now, this video is going to show a man, and the man said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that he said that he's a construction worker, and he's basically asking for help in the music industry. And he also talked about other things as well, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, this man said some things that really and truly have me thinking, somewhat touching to you see me? But more I tell me what you think about the things that the man said in this video, alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Bless day, my people. See it there another day upon the construction site, you know. Working hard. I can't do like Josie will for say, boy, I will never push no bar. I not push no bar. I have to do what I have to do till better come. I want to tell you something up on the internet and I watch a video, you know. I believe a P Daddy birthday party or something. I say Beanie Man go out on the stage, you know what I say. It was a fun video, you know, and Beanie Man, you know, when Beanie Man walk out, the crowd I go wild. Beanie Man draw a few songs and thing, and after Beanie Man go out, guess who me see appear? Flipper Mafia. Daddy Flipper Mafia say him a the Jamaican P Diddy or Puff Daddy, and the man draw his song and say, real Magala. Brother, the man have the crowd wild. And when Flipper get there forward, there's like Beanie Man I try to show Flipper say, I want to you. Me money enough, my money stack and pile. Brother, me a crowd say, dash for something. And me say, Beanie did the money enough and stack and pile. And me say, Flipper, fling out a piece of Kyle. Then me say, at the time, my crowd get wild. And me I try to show people, say, sometime in life, it's not about what you have in our own legendary you are, you know. It's about sharing even back with the same people that we make money. Even about we sharing with poor people. 3/4 artists them who boast about what they have, how much money they have. Even COVID a galana, you never see them buy to care package and try to give back something to the community. you know, to them district, to Jamaica at large, you know, really matter where people come from. You know, you just give back something, even if you have to give to a charity organization. How much of them youth where you say a boast about money give back something? Me I tell you no man, me I tell you say, you say, this Jackie, me know you know, yo, all I want money for play a song, you know. And me I tell you say, 3/4 I want to live in a better house than me, because I live in a little one-room board house. I street, me used to live on street, enough people know say Gaza lizard used to live on street, you know. And I left off of the street and hustle and put up my little one-room board house. That I could even have a wife and married and she come stay night with me, you know. I'm not ashamed to talk, you know. We don't make no money, daddy. We don't make no money. I have to pay a fare come to work. $120 come, 120 go back. I have to find lunch. And we don't work more than $3,000 for a day. We have to eat grocery when weekend time come. I try to set up a local place. Now I want to live in a better house. Some want to have car, some want to have business around. We want to have to make life look so hard. We not having our yard to help nobody again. How not do the things so? Come on man, you know, if you help one and two get a youth. I say some of you not do it in a brother, but some of you man, you can do better brother. One half you dig out where you are so. And some of this jacket that I used to CD man I used to play. Remember one time I had amnesia, you know, man. And I saw one man overdose play for around 12 o'clock in the night, because them time they even did so hot. And at 4 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, the man did I wait for collecting money and I start to dance with the overdose and I say, I want to you. As in done play, he must have lizard card, this promoter come on my foot. See him there in a red shirt or see him there in a white shirt. Come and dance, you know, and now man I do them things and I take time and try to see if we can beat that system and if you try to uplift and I do something positive. And if you beg him man and put one song for one mixtape, man, and make it look like the hardest thing for do. We don't remember where we are come from. Eh? We don't remember his own good man we come from center and we give strength or give support, brother. Or a two we sing two songs and maybe I say, boy, alright, with this intense them in a two song or with this high water. Music a competition thing, brother, because them these people too, as long as we not war. You know, hear me I tell a man to go support them mama and this and that, brother. So we can have fun in our music, brother. I know some music, because competition good for the business. So I can't them simple thing that you want to some man a friend make. We think it hard to give back people friend. Intense favorite song for me right now when I want a song where you must say bad charger. We listen to all the artists them in brother. And I like one mixtape I play in our house. Or we are going to watch two music videos and skip past the man them thing. No brother. We listen to all the artists them thing and we love all the artists them brother. And we want all the artists them to make it to and have things in life. It's not a bad mind game. But how bad with lyrics and how tough. A real thing, God. We have to stand up, man, and defend one another, brother. We don't have no money like that, brother. And all we have money for pay. Everybody want to pay. All CD Johnny. DJ M0ck. Come up, man, me give me mixtape them and me make them and no man. I never hear, man. I'm going to MC Teddy me play Gaza Lizard one morning. In man up on the radio and me send in a little request program, brother. What Father God say, no man, before some of the rich people, them all like camel go through. The eye of an eagle have a better chance to come as Zion than enough of them people in the youth. Me I tell you in the youth. Me hurt God. What's up? I told me say Gaza. Make me not get no support around and I can't show a little love from the heart. We not robber, we not thief, we not murder nobody, brother. And if we not go around people can't mix up on them one God over the years. And I hustle and I try. Wanna help on God. Help on man. Vibes cartel, help me man. Look how me out here root for Gaza. Somebody can just help Gaza Lizard. Give me a helping hand. Honest youth, what happen? My 36-year-old in a brother look for me I try. Come much stewed around here and what produce and not even one song. Big up Fire Cheese. Cause the youth they always that's a boy. Give a look of support. A real thing, remember when I do my EP. When me sing song pan rhythm out there already, just the people hear with voice and hear the talent that we have, brother.
You know, the name that we him choose to go by, you know, is a name that people might talk about, you know. Yeah, that name there. Gaza Lizard. Anyways, my people, let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. You can let me know what I think about those things that I talked to you about in this video. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla, you know. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.